Hi everyone, it's Burgess from Tranquility in Art. I wanted to do a tutorial for you because it's autumn and all that. But as you can see from the sound of my voice, I've been taken ill. I've got chesty cough and a blocked nose, and my ears are blocked as well at the moment. But I really wanted to do a video for you anyway. But and it was going to be a step-by-step tutorial, and I've been playing around with color and things like that. This was before I got sick, but then when I got sick, I just couldn't do the tutorial. So I thought instead of doing an actual tutorial, why not just do a sort of a demonstration? And I sort of practiced, as you can see. This is one practice I did, and it was okay. I mean, I wasn't 100% happy with it, and I then did this one here, tried that, and that came out okay as well. And but eventually, I ended up creating this one. This is the picture that the painting that I eventually ended up doing, and it's this is the video that's going to be coming up in a minute now. Sorry about the shaking because I'm just holding the phone in my hand, but I just use color straight from the a palette. I've got this fan palette that I use, and what I've done is because I can't really, I'm not going to be doing a step by step. I just thought I'd tell you that what I did was I took the color straight out of the pans, and I started off with the lightest yellow, and then we just moved on to the darkest colors I could find in the order that they're laid out in the pan, and it was quite easy doing it like that. So this is the painting that I did for this video. So why not stay tuned for that, and give the video a like if you like the video. So have a look at that, and let me know what you think. Thanks very much for watching, and do stay tuned for the actual painting. Thank you.